Hi guys, I'm Paul. In this video I'm going to deep dive into Oasis Network, the layer 1 privacy enabled blockchain, and I'm going to explain how many rows I think you'll need to be a millionaire, and I'll also give my detailed price prediction for the next bull run. I will cover Oasis Network's tokenomics, as well as key points to consider and the future outlook for the Oasis Network platform. Okay, now let's begin. About Oasis Network. Oasis Network is a layer 1 privacy enabled blockchain which allows users to share data while keeping their information private. And what makes Oasis Network unique is the current decentralized finance market lacks a well-built privacy option, and so it addresses this key issue while enabling DeFi developers to build applications and have full control over their sensitive data. The Oasis Network has two main components, the consensus layer and the paratime layer. The consensus layer is a decentralized, scalable, high-throughput proof-of-stake consensus, and the paratime layer executes smart contracts in parallel through paratime nodes. Oasis Labs, the company behind Oasis Network, was founded in 2018 by Dawn Song, who is one of the world's top experts in computer security and trustworthy artificial intelligence, and her vision is to allow people to control their own data while allowing data to be used in a privacy-preserving way, while also obtaining value from it. Oasis Network fits into the rapidly growing AI sector as it looks to fix the privacy challenges and biases faced within the current AI systems by leveraging its own privacy infrastructure that brings with it more transparency and trustworthiness to AI systems. Oasis Network's aim is to make AI systems that are safe, ethical and fair, and an example of this work is its partnership with Meta, where they built a secure multi-party computation system where users can provide information but Meta cannot see this highly sensitive data. Oasis Network has partnerships with some leading companies including crypto exchange Binance and the hardware wallet company Ledger. Rose is a token of the Oasis protocol, which is used to pay transaction fees on the network, and Rose's all-time high price at time of recording is 59 cents. Rose supply and tokenomics. The Oasis Network has a total max supply of 10 billion tokens and has a current circulating supply of around 6.7 billion tokens. Rose is a native digital cryptocurrency token of the Oasis Network and is used to pay transaction fees and also for staking that allows token holders to earn rewards for helping to secure the Oasis Network. The initial token distribution of the Oasis Network is as follows. 23% is allocated to backers, 18.5% is allocated to community and ecosystem, 20% is allocated to core contributors, 10% is allocated to foundation endowment, 5% is allocated to strategic partners and reserve, and lastly 23.5% is allocated to staking rewards. The attached graphic shows the token release schedule on token unlocks from now until 2031, and we can see that the total unlocked is currently at 56%. Key points of Oasis Network. Oasis Network has several benefits that make it a great solution, including scalability. Oasis Network achieves high scalability, faster transaction speeds, and high throughput due to its separation of its consensus layer and paratime layer. Privacy first approach. Oasis Network ensures that any sensitive data is kept private through its confidential paratime technology. Earn passive income. The Oasis Network allows token holders to earn passive income rewards by either farming or staking tokens, all without giving up ownership of their digital assets. Established partners. Oasis Network has a lot of well-established partners, including crypto exchange Binance, Pantera Capital, Winklevoss Capital, to name just a few. Oasis Network technology. The key areas covered on the Oasis Network are scalability, privacy first, and versatility. And starting with scalability, the Oasis Network's layered modular architecture provides scalability, customizability, and flexibility. Next, privacy first is established through the Oasis privacy layer powered by confidential paratimes, which enable developers to have confidentiality in their dApps. When it comes to versatility, Oasis Network is able to do this through the Oasis paratime layer, which allows the network to incorporate new technology developments, and digging deeper into the different technologies, the Oasis Network has the following: the Oasis privacy layer, Sapphire, Emerald, Cypher, and Wallet. The Oasis privacy layer is a cross-chain Ethereum virtual machine compatible privacy solution, which allows for confidential smart contracts in Web3 on networks like Ethereum, BNB Chain, and Polygon. Sapphire is the first and only confidential EVM compatible paratime, which enables developers to build 100% confidential smart contracts, and Emerald offers full EVM compatibility, scalability, and cross-chain interoperability. Next, Cypher is a WebAssembly based privacy-enabled paratime, and using Cypher and the Oasis Contract SDK, developers can use Rust to build confidential decentralized applications. Lastly, the Oasis wallet is the official non-custodial wallet for storing, sending and receiving your digital assets on the Oasis network. And on their official website, they state that they are able to offer industry-leading custody options through the deployment of Oasis Safe by Protofire and their partnerships with Transact. Oasis Network ecosystem. Building DeFi applications on the Oasis network offers some key advantages, which include high scalability, instant finality, 99% lower gas fees than Ethereum, and high throughput. And the Oasis ecosystem covers a wide variety of sectors, including AI, partnership, Web3, and more. Firstly, looking at the AI sector, we can see a range of AI projects, including Alright Chain, which is a layer 1 which verifies multi-dimensional trustworthiness of AI and Web3 applications with unique AI oracle. Next, looking at the partnership sector, we can see a number of projects including Ocean Protocol, which connects data providers in a blockchain-based marketplace to allow them to easily monetize their data. Finally, in the Web3 sector, we can see a number of projects including CoinSender, which allows companies and freelancers to send and receive cryptocurrency payments quickly. illumineX. Oasis Network announced on February 3, 2024, illumineX, a decentralized cross-layer asset bridge, which is the first confidential Ethereum virtual machine decentralized exchange in Web3, is launching its mainnet on Oasis Sapphire. Oasis Sapphire, just to give some context, is the first and only confidential EVM that empowers Web3 utilizing smart privacy and security protocols. So with the launch of illumineX, it brings a new step forward for the utility and security of private DEX platforms. illumineX initially launched at an early liquidity provision stage in January, which allowed users to bridge as much liquidity onto Sapphire as possible, ready for phase 2 of the launch, opening swap functionalities, followed then by phase 3, the full mainnet launch. Lisa, CEO of illumineX, said on the Oasis Network website, "Our work with the Oasis Network allows for private cross-chain liquidity swaps onto Sapphire alongside EVM compatibility. At a time where transparency and fairness in financial transactions becomes increasingly important, our mainnet launch will help protect Oasis and illumineX users against predatory practices and ensure seamless interoperability in the Web3 space." Oasis Network partnerships. Oasis Network recently announced a partnership with Revolut, the all-in-one finance app, with the collaboration focusing on bringing more awareness of privacy to the Web3 space, and Revolut have created a dedicated section on their website called Revolut's Crypto Learn for Lessons, which includes learning about the Oasis Network's technology and vision for privacy-enabled Web3. Oasis Network also have a number of other well-established partners, which include crypto exchange Binance, Pantera Capital, and Winklevoss Capital. Oasis Network versus Ethereum. When comparing Oasis Network and Ethereum, both use proof-of-stake consensus mechanisms, and as the chart shows, I looked and compared the following areas of average block time, finality time, transaction throughput, and market cap. Starting with average block time, we can see that Oasis Network offers an average block time of 6 seconds, when compared to Ethereum's 13 seconds, making Oasis Network much faster. In terms of finality time, which is a term used in blockchains that refers to the point at which transactions or data cannot be reversed or modified, Oasis Network's finality time is instant, whereas Ethereum finality time is around 13 minutes. When it comes to transactional throughput, this tells us how many transactions a system can process, in this case per second, and we can see Ethereum processes around 14 transactions per second, but Oasis can process up to 1,000 transactions per second. Finally, when comparing current market caps, Ethereum is the winner with a market cap of around 317 billion at time of publishing, in comparison to Oasis Network, which has a market cap of 795 million. To conclude, when it comes to average block time, finality time, and transaction throughput, Oasis Network is the clear winner for me. But Ethereum is the more established blockchain currently in the market, with a much larger ecosystem and market cap. How many rows to be a millionaire in the next bull run? Okay, so before we look at the price prediction for Rose in the next bull run, let's remind ourselves of Rose's previous all-time high price, which was 59 cents. This price gave it a market cap at the time of around 2 billion. On the conservative end of my price prediction, and not financial advice, just my opinion, if Rose could increase its market cap to around 20 billion, this would give Rose a price of $3. On the higher end of my price prediction, if Rose was able to get to a market cap of around 26 billion, this would give it a price of $4. I believe a price of between $3 to $4 Rose is possible in the next bull run. But how many Rose would you need to be a millionaire in the next bull run? Using CoinStats, a crypto profit calculator, if we enter the current price and the predicted sell price of $3, we can see it would require an investment of $40,000 at today's price to get to the $1 million mark in the next bull run. If we do the same again, but this time set the sell price at the very high end of our price target prediction of $4, you would need an investment of around $30,000 at today's price to get to the $1 million mark in the next bull run. At the $3 price prediction, you would need to buy around 336,000 Rose tokens, which is an investment of $40,000 at today's price to become a millionaire in the next bull run. At the very high end of our $4 price prediction, you would need to buy around 250,000 Rose tokens, which is an investment of $30,000 at today's price to become a millionaire in the next bull run. Oasis Network Future Outlook. I believe Oasis Network's future outlook looks really promising. It offers a revolutionary technology with its key features being privacy, scalability and versatility, and the platform's privacy-first approach makes it an ideal solution for DeFi developers today. Oasis Network does stand out for me as it addresses a key issue found in decentralized finance markets, a lack of well-built privacy options, and so its platform enables DeFi developers to build applications that allow them to control any sensitive data. With all this said, I think Oasis Network offers a real use case to the market, and so I look forward to watching to see how the platform can continue to grow and gain further adoption in the next few years. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, I think you'll like this video next, and please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay notified when I post my next video. Thank you.